Just another day in paradise. So what I'm doing is just hanging out, and I've been taking care of a little bit of business, and I did a video on concrete staining today. So I went in the backyard and did a little video, you know. So I watched a video this morning on concrete staining. I was just kind of blown away at the simplicity of it, you know. So I'll put that link up here, and yeah, so check out that one. So going through, seeing what I got to order around. Oh, actually, I got another thing. Coaxy there. Coaxy's good. Fiber Rent's good. I got my about full of my carpet details. Van is filthy. I gotta get it clean today. It's been raining, so Brenda's in there cooking some good eating and listening to her jams. I don't want to get a strike, so I'll close the door. So today, I'm an entrepreneur, right? So look at me, editing some videos. Just posted this one about the concrete, and I got my blanks in, so I'm gonna be printing some t-shirts. Get some light in here. Let me print some t-shirts, you know. I'm working on it. I've always wanted to have some kind of clothing brand. Not clothing, full clothing like Kanye West. Just t-shirts, you know. Something that's positive, motivating. And so Better Way Industries, you know, is gonna be my thing. So I've got some different color contracts. We think we're gonna put green and put the gold on the green. We got this color green. I was thinking a darker green maybe, but we'll see. And maybe the gold on the black also. And then I got larger ones, and it's positive, and you know, and I can hopefully implement it in my YouTube channel. So I'm trying to get, guys, I know this is gonna sound ridiculous to you, but I feel like I should have a couple 100,000 subscribers. I got like 10,000 right now. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. I'm gonna be doing a lot more different stuff here. I mean, it's all gonna be entrepreneur, but I gotta switch it up, because honestly, what I've been doing is really moving too slow for me. So we're gonna press these out today. So that's my goal today. And what else am I gonna do? Maybe I'll go ahead and show you how I do that. So guys, if you guys are having uniforms, right? You know, it can be pricey to go ahead and get your uniforms made, t-shirts or whatever. If you're, you know, just print t-shirts or sweaters, you know, with your company logo on it, there's a really cheap way you can get this done. This shirt right here, this black shirt right here, or this green shirt right here, it's only cost me $3. The way I do it is, when I also have this for my company logos are in another box, but I'm literally paying about $4 per shirt, because the way you do it, you gang sheet these things, so it comes in a big old sheet, and you put as many designs as you want into that, and then you cut them out and you press them yourself. And sometimes just buying a $100 heat press like this to have and just press your own stuff is easy. So I got the shirts from Jiffy Shirts. So you get them at wholesale prices, jiffyshirts.com, and you don't need a seller's permit or anything like that. So that's kind of cool. Let's see here. So I just found these people, and again, you don't need a seller's permit for these Ninja transfers. So you can do a gang sheet and put all your designs on there, and just cut them out. So that way you're not using a whole sheet for one print. Then it's expensive, because it's like, I don't know, $50 by the time it gets your door. But if you've put 50 prints on there, what's that costing you? $1 a print plus $4. So yeah. So I'm gonna probably go ahead and show you how I do that today. All right, so Brenda's in here cooking up. Brenda's the most amazing cook in the world. Picking up some good stuff here for lunch. And sometimes it gets, because we eat good lunches, and sometimes we eat good lunch and good dinner. So I gotta get on that treadmill as much as possible. Got the laptop here. It's just more convenient for me than having a desktop nowadays. And my desktop's for editing and stuff like that. And I think she's hiding from. Yeah, she's hiding. Hey, why are you hiding? Chicken. All right, I'm done harassing her. Tell her to put her back her music on. You know, you can't have music on YouTube channels or they demonetize it, and that's not good. All right, so this is gonna be my newest addition. I've been doing some research on that, and I already ordered it. So this is gonna be really good. I'm gonna be using this for floor cleaning in general. But with this, you can actually get a pad driver and put different pads and stuff in it. So that's my new addition. I'll get that next week. Just booked an appointment. A small job, Airbnb. So Airbnbs are really great because they keep using it over and over and over again. So we got a lot of vacation rentals around here, Airbnb and stuff like that. So every year that goes by, we get more of those. So all right, so we let this heat up to around 300. I think it's 315. I might have to adjust that. And once that's heated up, it's as simple as taking this thing and lining it up and pressing it. All right, so got it all heated up. It's about 300. It's where it needs to be. And for 12 seconds. So I got it all lined up. So it's supposed to be like 4 fingers down, about 3 fingers over because of this print. And we'll see how it turns out. So this needs to be about 15 seconds. All right. Then they recommend you put this over it and do it for another 10 seconds. So this is going to save a bunch of money, especially for me and my t-shirts. It takes, about $4 a shirt compared to $25 a shirt if you get it locally. So I'd like to get it to a point to where I can sell these too as like an extra thing underneath my YouTube channel, on the bottom of the screen. A lot of YouTubers have their merch. I want to get some merch going. So, I gotta let it cool down until it's cool to the finger, cool to the touch. Once you get a routine down to this, it's much quicker. And this Ninja transfers a lot easier to work with than other transfer companies I've worked with, because I used to have a screen printing business. Let's see. Simple as that. So that could be your logo, guys. I'm going to also make some new shirts and hoodies and stuff like that. But my work shirts are getting a little worn out looking. So just getting something like this, I'd save you a lot of money. All right, so I'm running late for the estimate. I almost forgot an estimate. So I'm going to head out to right now for tile and grout. See that little house right there on the corner? That's the house I lived in when I was 16 and 17. All right. All right, all went well. $883 bid for Talon Grot. They want to go for it. Plus, I get an estimate on their sofa, 2 chairs, and the bedroom. So it's a total bid about $1,200 and something. So they're good. I actually cleaned for. I keep looking this way. Sorry, guys. I actually cleaned for the neighbor across the street. I did their tile. And she was a tough one. She was one of those customers, you know, that I actually had to come back and get rid of the the sealer. It kind of leaves a residue on some tiles. You can tell, porcelains that are lighter. If the customer doesn't do any maintenance, you know, they might not, and she doesn't really mop, so I came back and just knocked it off. Or, you know, that's rare with the Sager Super Sealer, but yes, because you put it over the whole tile, that can happen. All right, see you in the next one. Thank God I finally found a better way.